So here's a project I've been working on. It's a 10 scale Nitro Cobra sprint car. I just got the motor in and just got it started. I've run about a half a tank through trying to break in the engine. My glasses.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm barely touching the gas at all. Supposed to run it a little bit rich for the first couple of tanks of gas and really not give it a lot of throttle. I can see already it's going to be a handful. Just with touching the throttle, it'll want to spin if you hit it on a corner. Brakes work pretty good, slides around a little bit. Got way more steering than it needs to get around a dirt oval track. It's a Nitro Cobra, come from Pete Russell's. It's Associated GT1 based sprint car. Been obsolete for 10 or 15 years. But certainly a fun build, and I like nitro. Brakes are a little bit touchy too. Maybe I need to it's gonna fly. Supposed to run 2 or 3 tanks of gas, warm it up, let it cool down before you really get on it all the way. Break in on a nitro engine is paramount to the life of the engine. And new engines are hundreds of dollars unless you buy an El Cheapo or a used stuff. Or get one off of eBay like I did. This is a Force 15.15 cubic inch that was brand new in the box. Since there's not a lot of interest in nitro, I got the engine for $20 and $8 shipping. But I'd like it to last me, because I don't know as I'll ever come across another deal like that. Pete Russell at Pete Russell Hobby has been very good about helping me out along the way to get this thing built, even though I'm going to run it somewhere other than his place. Hopefully the next video will have the body on it and the wing, and it'll look just like a outlaw sprint car. It's Sunday, I think it's about the 21st or 22nd. I just can't help my trigger finger. I think that'll be the key to getting it around a dirt oval is trigger finger. That, and I'll have to work on the suspension. Not something I'm the greatest at, but usually around the track there's a lot of people can help you out. Goes a while on a tank of gas. I still haven't touched the throttle past about a quarter of the way. Slides the back tires with just barely touching the brakes. I may have to make an adjustment on that, either in the radio or on the actual linkage itself. Don't know as it ran out of gas or just died. It's running awfully rich, so it's not going to be as dependable as it would be if I had the carb set for, well, it's out of gas. But anyways, that is the new Nitro Cobra, and so far I've gotten the engine up to about 130 degrees, 140 on the first half a tank. I'll let it cool down and see what it's doing now. Another thing with plastic spur gears, you got to make sure the clutch isn't getting too hot, and it's not too bad. So anyways, there's a video of a ancient Nitro Cobra, Pete Russell special sprint car. Hopefully you'll see it around the track. Anyways, thanks, bye.